To find the Whoop charge, you need to understand what it is and where it is typically located. The Whoop charge refers to the charging point for your Whoop fitness tracker. First, ensure your Whoop tracker is not still attached to your body or wrist strap, as this can make it difficult to locate the charging point. The Whoop charge is usually found on the underside of the tracker, which is the side that comes into contact with your skin when you wear it. Next, turn the tracker over and look for a small metallic or silver-colored contact point. This is where you will place the Whoop charger to charge your device. The contact point may be slightly recessed into the tracker, but it should be easily visible. When using the Whoop charger, make sure it is properly aligned with the contact point on your tracker. The charger has a small protrusion that fits into the recessed area of the tracker, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Best practice is to charge your Whoop tracker regularly to ensure it continues to function correctly and track your fitness data. It is also a good idea to clean the charging point and the charger itself periodically to prevent dirt and debris from interfering with the charging process. By following these steps and understanding where to find the Whoop charge, you can keep your fitness tracker fully charged and continue to monitor your health and fitness goals. Remember to always handle the charger and tracker with care to avoid damaging the charging point or other components of the device.